This coming week will be extremely explosive. Something will happen that hasn't happened since last year, and it will be the catalyst to propel these crypto assets to go much higher than everyone thinks possible. From Machiguru, breaking, US inflation rises to 2.9%. So now it's guaranteed, guys, that the Fed will cut rates. Why? Because it came in as what the market believed, right? What the Fed predicted it to come in as 2.9%. So it's not a surprise, even though it did rise. The difference here is the unemployment rate went higher. So that's the issue for the Fed, guys, right? The economy isn't looking too great after all. So now they need to start cutting because they're late to it. The next FOMC meeting is in 3 days and 15 hours from today. This will be the trigger, it seems like, to, guys, the $30 trillion print is incoming. Bitcoin is heading to $1 million. Ethereum is heading to near 100K. XRP is heading to $100 before the collapse, in my humble opinion. And this is how it all begins, by the way, due to the Federal Reserve. It's 93%, 100% guaranteed that the Fed will cut 25 basis points. Okay. And then there is a 50 basis point cut, possibly. If the Fed cuts 50 basis points, guys, that's where the white swan appears. And in that day, everything's just going to rise dramatically. From Crypto Rover, Fed rate cuts confirmed. Altcoins are set to pump hard. Okay, so what do we see here? We basically see this is Bitcoin, guys, but this is the entire crypto market. And the last time the Fed cut rates was right here. Okay, this yellow line, September of 2024. Look at that, September of 2025. Oh, it's like deja vu. And then what happened with Bitcoin was it consolidated until November, and it did this. And this is where XRP exploded. Okay, during this region right here. September strikes. The Fed will cut rates. If we do consolidate here for a couple months until November, right? And then we explode, it's going to literally be deja vu. But we called it first. I was the first person, or we were, that said, I have this strange feeling. I think XRP and these cryptocurrencies will repeat last year's price action. Okay, and it'll feel like deja vu because it's just how the ball rolls here, right? And this chart confirmed this. So, but obviously it could just pump today and here and next week, right? And it has been pumping, so it seems like that's what's been happening. Benjamin Cohen says it would be reasonable for the Fed to cut 50 basis points at the next FOMC. 50 basis points, guys. Do you guys understand how explosive that is? Or no? If they were to cut 50 basis points, the markets will soar. Literally overnight. You guys realize this. So hope and pray that they do cuts for 50. But 25 is a minimum here. And 25 is basically the first domino to fall. Because as soon as they cut 25, they're going to keep cutting. And then all the wealthy folks will be able to borrow cheap cash, okay, due to interest rates being lowered. And they're going to flood that money into risk on assets, because risk on assets will be flying upwards. Okay, it's a cycle, a loop that repeats, which makes the markets just keep rising, I guess, until the collapse appears. From Ash Crypto, bullish. Analysts predict that Fed Powell will cut rates by 50 basis points this month, as CPI came in at 2.9%. Guys, 50 basis points. That would be magical. JP Morgan expects the Fed to cut interest rates by 25 basis points next week. Then we got from this betting market, Polymarket believes that 85%, there's an 85% chance of a 25 basis points, okay, which the majority believes, guys. That's what the Fed will do. It doesn't matter though; it's still bullish. Traders now betting on 4 straight rate cuts through January. Right, Wells Fargo reports the Fed plans to reduce interest rates 5 times by mid-2026. Okay, And remember, the money printing will be insane. I could guarantee, guys. Therefore, all markets will rise dramatically because of the recession. Okay, the recession is coming, guys. It's just my thinking here. Before the collapse appears, Morgan Stanley and Deutsche Bank expects 3 rate cuts this year. Right, let the markets rise. But something seems odd and a little bit fishy from global markets. This has never happened before. The S&P 500 at all-time highs, U.S. home prices at all-time highs, Bitcoin at all-time high, gold all-time high, money supply all-time high. But the national debt, the public debt, is at 37 trillion at an all-time high. Though the NACE's labor market is in a recession, and the Fed is going to cut rates next week. What's happening here, right? It's a little bit confusing, but not really, because the last time this happened, guys, okay, in 20 rate cuts at record highs, okay. Look at this. This will be just the 3rd year since 1996 with Fed rate cuts, while the S&P 500 is at record highs. What happens next? This is what happens. In 20 out of the last 20 times that the Fed has cut rates with the S&P 500 at record highs, stocks ended higher 12 months later. You guys see? In 20 out of the 20 last times, okay, so it's 100% accurate here, that they chose to cut rates while the stock market, the S&P, was at record highs, all-time highs. The S&P a year later, 12 months later, ended higher than when they cut. It didn't dump. Yeah, there was probably volatility, but throughout the months, when it hit a year, it was higher from the previous year, guys. Okay, when the cut began. Okay, so it's clear as day. It's clear as day. In fact, the S&P 500 rallied an average 13% over the next 12 months. 13% is explosive, right, for the stock market, for the S&P, because that's for Bitcoin probably like a couple X multiplier. For for Bitcoin it's a couple X multiplier. For XRP it's like 5 to 10x, right, if not higher. However, in 11 out of the last 22 times that this has happened, stocks ended lower 1 month later. Oh wow. So this is interesting. A month later, guys, so a month from now we could end lower from where we're at right now, but 12 months from now we're going to end up higher. Okay, this is fantastic, which matches up with this consolidation. Look at this. Oh my lord, did we crack the code here? We called it first. I already said I feel like deja vu will occur, is my opinion, in October. November is interesting because that's when the ETFs go live as well. Odd. Now, the big printing hasn't even started. Crypto Haze believes this market could run well into 2026. That's the same belief that I have. I said 2026 because a Riddler said, with Trump expected to juice the economy by mid-2026, and it's going to get crazy. The $30 trillion print is coming where everything will explode. Do not sell right now.
You think that this market's going to extend well into 2026, but if things start feeling really euphoric in Q4, are you going to take some profits off the table, or are you going to still hold strong, or what are you kind of looking for? How are you going to assess your portfolio and make some decisions?
Honestly, this is how you do it. You literally let the money flood in, right? When you see so much money pouring in from the Fed, guys, and when you see retail, this is how you know when you're at the top of the market. I already cracked the code. People are going to sell too early. When you go outside, and when you're at a restaurant, if you do go out to eat, if you're walking down the street and you hear random people that you don't know and have never seen before talking about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, meme coins in the public setting, when you hear that not just once, twice, 3 times, multiple times from different people in areas, locations, that's when we're at the top. When everyone's talking about it. By the way, retail, it's a ghost town. It's a ghost town right now. Retail hasn't even entered the scene. You guys remember that one metric where the social metric is completely at 0? Which means they're going to tie in retail flooding into the market. At the same time, the Fed prints 30 trillion. The euphoria will be literally throughout the roof, is my opinion here. We cracked the code. Please like today's video.
I mean, I really care about what is the expectation and trajectory of money printing. And so I don't, my belief is that Trump hasn't even got started. He's going to have all the Legos in place to really juice the US economy starting in, middle of 2026. And so the question is, what is the market forward on that money printing? I don't know what that looks like. If I believe that the market's expecting something so insane in terms of the amount of money printing that Trump can do, then okay, I'll take some chips off the table. So I don't have a price level in mind. It's more of a feeling of like, okay, well, is the expectation?
Yep, same thing, guys. I hope that Bitcoin hits more than 300K this cycle. But there is no price. It's more so the feeling, as he stated, right? And this person is a millionaire, if not a billionaire. It's the feeling. You have to look out for different metrics firing off, especially the emotional metric, because that's what Wall Street takes advantage due to retail being exit liquidity. Okay.
On the money printing too high or too low. I'm writing a piece right now about the collapse of the euro, predicated by a French default. And so I think there's some other things happening within the global markets that could continue to propel this notion of money printing. And at the background, I have to recognize that we are in the midst of a unipolar to multipolar change in world order. And change for politicians is bad because, what do they do when change happens? They print money to make sure people feel okay. Mm-hmm. And so if I overlay all these things together, I have a very bullish outlook for the amount of money that's going to be printed between now and the end of the decade. The question just becomes, what are the expectations within the crypto ecosystem about, or just a general macro ecosystem about what that is? I think that people are underpricing the upside in equities, in crypto, and everything. They don't realize how badly all these governments need to print money. Yes, it's going to end in absolute Armageddon at the end of the cycle, whenever.
That's literally our exact theory. I'm going to scream. We knew.
That is, but I don't think we're there yet.
I told you, they're going to print so much money that's going to get, literally money will be flying throughout the whole streets. When you see that occur, take some profits out, hold XRP, ride through the economic collapse, become victorious at the end of this all. Now, on each device, I'm ready, you are, and it begins this coming week. That's it. Wow, mic drop. Be prepared. But anyways, that's Sophie's Mazes. See ya.